In this graph, we can see the relations that have the graph of the spending on training and the graph of staff turnover from this company. As we can see, the first year, we can see that the spending on training is around £8,000 to the training of the employees, and the staff turnover was around between 16 and 18%. So, if the company spent more money on the training, the staff turnover will drop dramatically, as we can see in the year 3, where the spending on training is around the £18,000, and the staff turnover just dropped to around 5% of the staff turnover. But if the company decreased this invest in the training for the staff, as we can see in the year 5, where the company only invests £5,000 to the training of the staff, we can see how this is corrupting all this invest, because the staff turnover is constantly growing to the 12% of the staff turnover.